Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Barn Door hardware is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home, offering a unique blend of rustic charm and modern functionality that can completely transform the look and feel of any room, from sliding effortlessly to open up spaces to adding a captivating focal point that guests will surely admire. Number 5. SMARTSTANDARD 6.6 feet Sliding Barn Door Hardware Kit. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this barn door track is designed for exceptional sturdiness and durability. Its solid internal structure ensures it won't deform or bend, providing a reliable solution for your doors. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for installation: two 3.3 feet rails, spacers, rollers, door stops, end caps, a floor guide, and a hex key. All necessary hardware is provided for a smooth setup. Engineered to support up to 260 pounds, it's perfect for doors ranging from 36 to 40 inches wide. It's compatible with various door types, including wood, glass, and MDF, offering versatile application. With professional, step-by-step instructions, you can easily install this system yourself, saving on carpentry costs. Enjoy the satisfaction of a beautiful DIY project that enhances your home's functionality. This system is a fantastic space-saving solution, especially compared to traditional swinging doors. It allows you to utilize the space behind the door more effectively, keeping your areas neat and organized. Experience smooth and quiet door movement every time. This hardware is designed for a seamless glide, ensuring a pleasant and unobtrusive operation that enhances the ambience of any room. What we like. This kit is built with solid carbon steel for maximum durability and a complete, non-spliced track for superior stability. If you are looking for a robust and long-lasting solution for a standard-sized door, this is an excellent choice. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle frequent use without issue. What people say. The kit was easy to install and the instructions were clear. The barn door hardware is very sturdy and well-made. It looks great and functions smoothly. Number 4. SMARTSTANDARD 8-foot Heavy-Duty Barn Door Hardware Kit. Introducing our Heavy-Duty Barn Door Hardware Kit. It's designed to be sturdy and durable, perfect for enhancing your home's aesthetic. Experience effortless movement with its smooth and quiet nylon rollers. They've been tested for longevity, ensuring a seamless glide every time. This all-in-one package includes everything you need for a straightforward assembly. From tracks and rollers to handles and guides, we've got you covered. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this hardware is built for exceptional sturdiness and longevity. It's a reliable choice for your barn door needs. Designed to fit door panels ranging from 42 to 48 inches wide, it offers a versatile solution for various doorways. Please note that the door panel is not included. The sleek black finish complements any decor style, adding a touch of modern elegance to your living space. It's a functional and stylish addition. What we like. Featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy track with quiet nylon rollers, this kit offers a smooth and silent operation. If you prioritize a quiet experience and appreciate the convenience of included handles, this option is ideal for you. It's perfect for high-traffic areas where noise reduction is a benefit. What people say. The kit was easy to install and the instructions were clear. The barn door hardware is very sturdy and well-made. It looks great on my barn door and functions smoothly. Number 3. SMARTSTANDARD 8-foot Bypass Sliding Barn Door Hardware Kit. Experience effortless movement with our premium barn door hardware. Designed for a smooth and quiet operation, it enhances the ambience of any room. Say goodbye to complicated setups. Our kit comes with professional instructions and dedicated support, making installation a breeze and saving you money. Crafted from solid carbon steel with a sleek black finish, this hardware is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliable performance for years to come. This versatile kit is designed to accommodate a wide range of wooden doors. Ensure your opening is fully covered with our thoughtful overlap design. Everything you need is included in the box, from the rail and hangers to all necessary hardware and guides. Just add your doors and enjoy the transformation. Support your doors with confidence. It's engineered to handle doors up to 220 pounds, fitting standard 138 to 134 inch thick panels. What we like. This bypass kit is specifically designed for double doors, allowing them to slide past each other on a single track, saving significant space. If you have a wide opening and need to cover it with two doors, this is the perfect solution. Its solid carbon steel construction ensures it can handle the weight of two doors reliably. What people say. The kit is very sturdy and well made, with smooth rolling wheels that make opening and closing the barn door effortless. Installation was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. The black matte finish looks sleek and modern, adding a stylish touch to my entryway and complementing the overall decor. Number 2. 6.6-foot barn door hardware kit with adjustable floor guide and two handles. Experience effortless movement with our premium sliding pulleys. Enjoy a silent and steady roll every time, making your doors a breeze to open and close. Our innovative flat-bottom floor guide protects your floors and ensures safety for your loved ones. It allows for smooth, steady sliding without any damage. Installation is straightforward with our clear instructions, though we recommend 2 people for the job. Our support team is ready to assist with any questions. Crafted from high-quality, thickened iron with a protective coating, this hardware is built to last. It offers superior resistance to rust and corrosion for long-term use. This hardware kit not only saves valuable space but also adds a touch of modern style to your home. It's perfect for various rooms, including kitchens, bedrooms, and closets. Enhance your home's functionality and aesthetics with this versatile kit. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from closets to pantries and beyond. What we like. With an upgraded adjustable floor guide and premium quiet pulleys, this hardware ensures smooth, steady, and silent operation without damaging your floor. If you have children or pets and are concerned about safety and noise, this is the ideal choice. Its thickened iron construction also provides excellent durability and a stylish frosted texture. What people say. The kit was easy to install and the instructions were clear. The barn door hardware is very sturdy and well made. It looks great on my barn door and functions smoothly. Number 1. DIYHD 6 feet galvanized steel outdoor box rail barn door hardware kit. Experience exceptionally smooth and sturdy sliding with our superior one-piece box track design. It's engineered for enhanced performance and simpler installation compared to traditional splice tracks. Crafted from high-quality galvanized steel, this hardware is built to last. It offers excellent rust resistance, ensuring durability for both your indoor and outdoor sliding door needs. This system is designed to accommodate doors up to 300 pounds and varying thicknesses. Adjustable lock nuts ensure a secure and minimal gap between your door and the wall. Our complete installation kit includes everything required for a straightforward setup. You'll receive the box track, brackets, rollers, stoppers, end caps, and L-guide. Enjoy a cleaner look and reduced risk of injury with our built-in stoppers. They provide a sleek appearance and are ideal for modern homes, barns, and garages. While not completely silent, we've enhanced the roller design with durable plastic coating to minimize harsh noise. It's designed for outdoor use where noise is less of a concern, but also suitable for indoor applications with noise consideration. What we like. This kit features a superior one-piece galvanized steel box track, designed for exceptional durability and smooth sliding, especially for outdoor applications. If you need a robust solution for exterior doors like those in barns, sheds, or garages, this is the perfect fit. Its rust-resistant material and heavy-duty capacity ensure longevity in various weather conditions. What people say. The track is sturdy and the wheels roll smoothly, making the barn door easy to open and close. Installation was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included in the kit. The black matte finish looks great and complements the rustic style of my barn door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.